Chapter 7, Responsible Citizen. Time to warm up. Read the following sentences and always memorize. Be a helpful person. Be a friendly person. Be a kind person. Time to know. Being good citizen means following rules and laws, being responsible and respectable by helping others. Generally, the major persons of a country are called her citizens. The Constitution of India has defined the qualifications to be an Indian citizen. Generally, those who are born in India, who is born of the Indian parents, and who are the long-time residents of India are accepted as the Indian citizens. Besides, there are some special categories too. Every citizen has certain rights to enjoy. So he would have the obligation to do certain duties to his country and nation. A citizen should have duties and responsibilities for his country. He should control his conduct on the light of the good of his country. He should exercise his rights with proper judgment and obey the law of road and the like. He should try to build himself to do the best service for the country. He should have patriotism and fellow feeling. As a citizen, he should know his responsibility to discharge his duties. A citizen is one who has common interest with others, living in the same place and under the same government. Because we are the citizens of India, we should take interest in its affairs. The points that make us a good and responsible citizen. 1. Obey laws and respect authority. Don't break laws and also refrain others for doing so. If not satisfied by any law, use constitutional means to change the law. 2. Civic and social duty should be performed. Beware about the issues affecting the society and provide solutions to them. Vote intelligently and pay taxes by proper means and use acts. And use acts like RTI, RTE for the good of the society. 3. Keep your surroundings and locality clean. Use dustbin and care for the public property and other people's property. 4. Be honest to your country and fellow citizen. 5. Develop a deep sense of patriotism towards your country. Respect your country's social and economic policies. Always contribute to the welfare of a country. 6. Must be able to teach the younger generation to show respect and love towards the country. 7. Make your country proud when visiting other nation. Never speak badly about your country. 8. Help the poor and needy and provide great hospitality to both foreign and local tourists. At home, rights. Children have the right to the basic needs of life, including food, shelter, and clothing. They also have the right to live in a safe home where they are protected and can receive love, comfort, and care. All family members have the right to be treated with courtesy and respect. A healthy lifestyle that includes protection and the right to health and medical care should be the right of every child. Rules. Families set their own rules for the protection and well-being of each member of the family. Rules are usually set by the adults who want to make sure that their children stay healthy and safe. Rules help things to run smoothly in the family. Rules may change as children get older and have more responsibilities. Rules may involve bedtimes, household chores, visiting friends, or playing outside. Working and playing by the rules helps family manage their time together and live together peacefully. Cooperation is important in families. Responsibilities. Being a responsible family member means knowing and following the family's rules. It means helping parents or caregivers and cooperating with brothers and sisters. It is the responsibility of family members to be honest and fair to each other. Families should work together while respecting each member of the family as an individual. At school, rights. All students have the right to be treated fairly and with respect. They have the right to learn in an orderly, safe classroom. Students have the right to be encouraged and challenged to their best. Rules. Our classroom and schools have rules to keep students and staff members safe and healthy. They help to make it easier for everyone to learn in a pleasant setting. It is important for every student to follow school and classroom rules and not upset other students by interfering with their learning. Responsibilities. It is the responsibility of all students to attend school and work hard to learn. A responsible person wants to be the best he or she can be. Being responsible means making decisions about what is right and what is wrong and then choosing to do and say the right thing. It means respecting the rights of other students and listening to their ideas. When we accept individual differences, we learn that everyone has something to offer. Students can show respect for others by sharing and waiting to take their turn. Sometimes, respect means making compromises. This means you don't always get your way when solving problems or differences. It means doing what is best for the majority. Responsible students are careful with their property and belongings. They also care for things that belong to others. They help keep their school and classroom clean and orderly and willing to help others. In a community, state, and nation. Rights. A good citizen does not interfere with or take away the rights of their neighbors and other members of the community. Rules and laws. It is important for everyone to follow rules and obey laws. Laws create fairness and protect the health and safety of all individuals. They protect our freedom and democracy. We must obey laws or pay consequences. Good citizenship for adults also means serving on jury duty and paying taxes. Responsibilities. As an adult, being an informed citizen about our government and community is an important responsibility. Voting in elections is just one responsibility of all good citizens. Volunteering to help in the community, joining worthwhile community events or organizations, and helping people who need assistance are other responsibilities. It is important for citizens to be active in their community and help others whenever possible. There are many ways for children to be good citizens too. Young people can volunteer to help clean up their community by adopting street or highway or cleaning up a vacant lot. They might visit hospitals or nursing homes and share their talent or simply chat with those who need a friend. Children might offer to help a neighbor or mow a lane or shovel a driveway for an elderly person. By volunteering and helping others, people build better communities. Being involved makes volunteers feel good about themselves too.